Hi guys, Joyce here again. So it is Friday the 13th and I'm getting ready to basically I'm packing my suitcase because I'm going on a trip to Amsterdam for the weekend and I'm just kind of getting a few things ready. I wanted to come and show you guys a few ways that I get ready for trips, especially when it comes to packing tights, wearing tights, choosing tights and cleaning them. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually clean some tights that I'm thinking about carrying. I'm not too sure whether I'm definitely going to take them, but I just want to be prepared. So let's go to the bathroom, shall we? Oh, it's really loud here in my bathroom, so please excuse the noise. So I've got my black Wolford Fatal 15 seamless. So obviously I'm going to take them out of the packaging. I really do like putting them back in the packaging after I use them. It's the easiest way for me to organize my pantyhose and my tights, so hence why they're always in the packaging. So these are the tights in question. I've worn them a lot, so they've definitely got a lot of dust on them, etc, etc. So just want to give them a quick rinse, but because they are really high quality and some of my favorites, I'm going to be really delicate about this. So the first thing I'm going to do is basically soak them in some antibacterial soap. Okay, yeah, au natural Joyce here for you, you know, au natural. So I am going to just hang them on the radiator. They're pretty much air drying. This isn't on, but it's just gonna, you know, hang tight there until it's fully dry. Now let me show you guys how or what pantyhose I'm packing for the trip. So I'm one of those people who starts packing like a month before I have to actually travel because I just really enjoy packing. So most of my stuff is already in here, but I just wanted to show you guys how I pack for my tights. All of my tight stuff are in this section right here. I have got a couple of tights in this Carnivalista bag. In here I've got my black tights from Superdrug. These are just my best everyday tights. Now the thing is, I'm probably going to switch them out for the Wolford's one once they dry. But it's pretty much just a placeholder, so I'm taking those. And then I'm also taking these ones here. These are from Falk. As you can see, these Ziploc bags are just so useful for travel. I love when I get them. So those two are in there. Then I've got my Oro Blue pantyhose that I want to do a review video on while I'm out there, so that's why they're still in the packaging. So just gonna pop that in there. And then I've got this little silk bag. In this bag I've got like my socks, my underwear and stuff, but I've also got my PV hosiery tights. These are the really thick ones in the color, not suntan, I think so, in the slightly deeper color. I just really like this color on me and wanted something that was a little bit thicker in case it starts raining, so that's why I carried those. And then I have this pair here, but this pair isn't actually to wear on my legs. These are the pair that I actually wear on my hair. I put this on my hair when I'm sleeping because it helps tame the flyaways, it keeps the hair nice and silky, and it lays it down so when you wake up in the morning you don't have to do too much work to get your hair looking that much nicer. So I always carry one of these so I can put on my hair for sleeping or put on my edges, etc. These are some Pendeza ones that I just never really got into basically, so that's why I use these for that reason. hair is being wrapped up in my scarf. But it's day 2 of Amsterdam. I didn't get to vlog much yesterday because we landed and then just had to kind of go into the house and get back out. So it's a bit of a weird time right now because of the whole virus situation, and there aren't a lot of people out on the street as a consequence. So it's been quite nice to just walk around without too many crowds and stuff, but we are all keeping very healthy and making sure that we look after ourselves and wash our hands, you know. Anyway, today's outfit, I decided to layered some tights. I layered 2 pairs, and actually it's holding up because it's a bit cold today.
So it says if we're walking, if we're anywhere inland, we're not near the water. So I think it wants us to go back and then down there.
Hi guys, so I realize this vlog has been a little bit different because I haven't spoken a lot, but it is a little bit of a sticky one still because we're in the middle of a pandemic, as it were. So a lot of the places we were going to were basically closed down because they couldn't serve food, and obviously they don't want a lot of crowds and people near each other. So, and also a lot of the museums and sightseeing attractions have closed down as well, so it's like there's not much to do. It ended up being an eventful and non-eventful trip at the same time, you know, in the grand scheme of things. So I changed my flight to come back home a day earlier since the Netherlands is on a lockdown at the moment. The weather today has been so nice as well, really sunny, really mild, very pretty. Like, I love Amsterdam. It's such a pretty and chilled and calm city. So I'll have to come back again when it's not so pandemic-y, you know. However, on a lighter note, I am wearing my Wolford pantyhose that I washed on Friday. When I first put them on, they did smell like my perfume, so I was really chuffed. I was like, oh my gosh, they smell so good. This is them. and they feel really nice against my skin as well. So I brought these thinking that it was going to be super cold, but it was only cold yesterday. Today it's been really mild, and when we landed it wasn't that cold either actually, but I was wearing my jeans, so there's that. And so yeah, I'm just waiting for my flight now.